Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this new energy chew item in Garden game of Roblox new Chubby Chipmunk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just claimed this energy chew from here from growing the Chubby Chipmunk, and you can get this new item from this rewards list. You need to grow your chipmunk to 2.15 kilogram. Okay, and you will be able to claim this energy chew. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can use this new item. And basically you can apply this energy chew to your pet. And I'm going to apply it to the Golden Goose, the most OP pet I have on my garden. Wait, let me search for the Golden Goose. Okay, I'm going to apply it. Okay, and it can refresh the cooldown on the Golden Goose. Okay, so I recommend you to apply this energy chew to the most OP pad that you have. Okay, and then it can help you to restore the cooldown time. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.